This artwork has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up artworks that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. Thank you once more to Fanhome for providing me with this kit. I hope you enjoy the build. Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 61 of Building Robocop. In this issue, we're continuing with the waste. After looking at a film for the whole family, Robocop 3 was intended to be rated PG-13. Was it? Family for the cyborg, family audience. But with lots of violence and shooting and stuff. Parents strongly cautioned. Yeah, age restrictions a bit strange. So this is the waist piece, which we're popping over the top. No screws to hold that in place. It's just that. I think I might be able to put him in the stand after this, because that's where the grippy stand will go onto. So I'll figure that out when we get that done. Robots that fight for us. Robotic drones and quite interesting, like the big version of the dog thing, isn't it? Head robot. Not sure about that. Neuro hacking. Yeah, that's the problem. After you get neural links and things, people are going to be able to hack them. Problems. Similarities. Subcutaneous implants. Yeah, cyborgs maybe are not a good thing quite yet. Right, let's clear this out of the way and let's see how it goes together. Right, so what we've got is the rubbery external part of the armor, which goes onto here. I've restuck that and put some tape on there to hold that together. I don't know if it will work for long, but it's working at the moment. So yes, this is now going onto here. Obviously needs to be the correct way round. Got the little ridge piece that's going to go over that. That goes on there. Like that. It just sort of sits there. Yeah, it just sort of sits over the top. Actually hold in place. So no, probably can't put it in the grippy thing yet, but it's getting there. It's starting to look a little bit more like Robocop. Waist obviously on its way up throughout all of that. So yeah, there we go. Another issue done. We're getting there. I hope you're enjoying the build, and I shall see you for the next part where there's even little building to do. So yeah, we'll manage to stand him up somewhere out of the way for now. Okay. Right, thank you very much. I'll see you for more soon. Bye bye for now.